High above the Columbia River, this winding ribbon of pavement tells a story, one of ambition, vision, and progress. Built over a century ago, the Maryhill Loops Road was Washington's first paved highway, a testing ground for the age of the automobile. Sam Hill, an eccentric dreamer and builder, believed good roads could connect communities and inspire progress. From above, you can still see the precision, 11 sweeping curves climbing 850 feet in just a few miles. It was built when cars could barely climb hills like these. Hill's design showed engineers what was possible. Here, among the wind and the wheat, he laid miles of smooth asphalt, curves designed to test traction, grade, and endurance. Each bend was deliberate, not only for the beauty, but for science. And his vision didn't end here. Down this same canyon, he dreamed of irrigation dams and a model farming community. Today, the Maryhill Loops Road stands as a monument to human determination, a century-old path that still inspires exploration. And if you listen closely, the wind across these hills still echoes with the sound of Sam Hill's dream. This is Maryhill Loops Road, the road that paved history. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us below, would you drive the Maryhill Loops Road if it reopened to the public?